welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a food review at a little gas station. It's a gas station right here off of 274, going towards 49. I don't know where you classify this as York, Clover, Lake Wiley, I don't know. This little gas station sits right here in the fork. I think they used to call this 5 Points. I'll try to get the name for you before I leave here, but ordered me a couple of corn dogs and a hot dog, and I'll let y'all know how it is in a little bit. Lily's Kitchen. That's the menu. All right, there's the hot dog and 2 corn dogs. I've eaten here before, and hot dogs are pretty darn good. I just kind of decided, just off the cuff today, to do a food review since I stopped here to eat. So hang tight just a few minutes and let's see what these hot dogs and corn dogs taste like. I'll give you the final review in just a few minutes. This place is called Lily's. Lily's. It's been here for a long time. So y'all hang with us just a few minutes. I'm eating corn dogs. I'll tell you what, it's hard to go wrong with a corn dog. I mean, yeah, how can you really screw one up? But I've had bad corn dogs. These are pretty good. They deep fry them right there in front of you. Hot dog was good. Corn dogs are good. I've never tried anything in there other than these 2 items. They've got Chinese food in there. They've got shrimp fried rice, all kinds of stuff. So if you're ever in the area, stop by here. It's at the corner of 49 and 274. Like I say, it's called Lily's. They don't serve nothing but lunch here, I think. Maybe breakfast, I don't know. I didn't look to see, but I know they serve lunch here, so gonna have to give them a 10. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.